Good afternoon. Today I'll be talking about the lab experiment number 7, that is the component and deployment diagram for the software development lab. And so my scenario that is given was to buy buying ebooks for a Kindle device, and so we'll be talking about that. And so yeah, the component diagram, as you can see, I have divided into a few components such as the website login, customer server database, search engine, cart, and payment gateway. And yes, I have put in extra interfaces, so the customer data access and a query. So all of the customer search engines and carts will query the database, and the payment gateway will have a specified access control as to who can access the payment gateway, and yeah, it'll be encrypted. um, yeah, so these are the just the default, like of course there are many refined forms in which we can draw a component diagram. I've just taken a average scenario for my situation, and yeah, these are the components that will come. So these are, like, when you say component, these are like all individual, like I'll say almost like a sub component, like subsystem. So like a customer is different, a website login interface is different, a search engine is different. That's why it's called a component diagram, because it's comprised of many components, and it shows the interaction between the components. Um, yeah, so that is component diagram, and next would be the deployment diagram. Yeah, so this is a simple deployment diagram, and in this you can see there's in the main website there's a login, and through HTTP or it can communicate with the application server, that is where the e-commerce website is hosted. And in there, in the local cache, the card details, the user session, and the payment session will be stored. And the database server, in the, like, for the server, it'll contain the product database, the purchase history, and the user database details, and that will be connected through a JDBC connection. Yeah, so that is it for the component deployment diagram for this scenario. Thank you.